guys, welcome back. We have my interceptors here. Hold on, let me try to find that thing. Wait, I think I found. Hey. Alright, so today here we have my interceptors. Want to see them? Okay. Hold on, I can't really see. Okay, so right here we have HTV1 from a friend. What I could name. It's already been in some storms. Actually, got damaged. Got so damaged. Even the tire looks kind of melted. Oh. So even the back. This is the spike that deploys it. This little hole. Go like this, and then it just goes like that. You can use the van side too. Glass broke. I got more. I got two more interceptors. Doors open, of course. One of them don't open. Yeah. It's actually damaged from the front. From like those rocks and debris hitting the front, you know. It actually has scratches on the sides from debris and rocks. The back broke from hailstones. Yeah. So this one just. Hold on. Okay. This one just goes. Same thing. That hole right there is where it comes from. Sorry from the nails. Just don't worry. And then I got this one. Don't worry about those little yellow things. Just little test subjects. Yeah, it has been in a storm. It does deploy. This little part, I put this in there, and then it just goes down like that. Sorry, I can't really control it. Yeah, it just goes down like that. I use a hammer just in case. Oh shoot, there's glass. And just throw it. I'm on a little table outside, so don't mind the noises. Even that one. Have been some storms too. Those same scratches. Bumper almost fell off last time. So I can deploy it from here, underneath, or from the back, like this part and this part. I'm gonna try to make it like go this way. I also have this one. This one is gonna be called. I think I should call it no. I think I should call it T. Oh, hold on. I think I should call it T2. Kind of looks cool, not gonna lie. T2 just goes in like this. Oh, doing it the other way. And then I also have this one, which I used to have a flat back here, but not anymore. This goes down too, so it goes like. Oh, god dang it. There's so much flies. So this one goes like down. And then this one, I couldn't use it for all vehicles, just goes down like this. It does survive a lot though. Not gonna lie. It has bended. It has a few scratches. It's just plastic, so. Tires do move, but not the front because I accidentally hammered it a little too hard and kind of got the suspension down. They don't really have suspension except this one. You can lower it and then deploy it, which is actually kind of sick. Just sometimes I make little stains where this goes in and then I fix back the windows. Not really. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this one. Shield broke. It's actually dirty from the inside. This actually came off and the glass broke because it fell off one time and the debris hit it. Tell you the tires. Yeah, so comment if you like my vehicles. And sorry for the voice again. Goodbye.